G'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video. Got video number 60 here for you. Had a late night last night, so just came in and checked my earnings for yesterday. As you see, 0.21%, so I made 29.88 yesterday. It's a lower day, but still made some earnings, guys, nonetheless. Also, you can see I got a little referral bonus here from one of my buddies because his investment expired for the 30-day period. The earnings reinvested, and I made a profit off the earnings, $2.82. So you can almost say I made like about $33 and change yesterday if you combine them both together. I'm gonna do all is red. Yeah, guys. So moving along here, I've passed 19 grand in my account. We're looking to maybe take some earnings out because I got some other bills and stuff I got to pay. So I'm gonna get into that. And yeah, just keep growing my account, guys. So I want to thank everybody that's out there that's been sending me emails and communicating with me, joining my team. I've had a couple new team members, so I'm glad you guys are coming aboard and getting your account funded and getting started in S Group. That's definitely life-changing for you guys. You got to think about it like, a year or two from now, you'll be able to live off of the earnings and money being made off of S Group, which is kind of the goal for me and for everyone in this system. So my superiors are doing just that. They have a huge team built, and I kind of want to get on the same path here, guys. So yeah, if you go over to the investment section here, if you guys are kind of new to S Group, just kind of break this down here for you. So you got the Forex market. That's the market that started when I actually, that was the only area that they had available in S Group when I started 2 years ago now. So now, as you see, they've expanded into the S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical marijuana, SIPO, which is the different stocks that they have automatically trading for you, and also the liquidity mining, which is their own token system. So all these four areas, guys, they all happen on autopilot, so you don't have to worry about trading or having knowledge on the markets and stuff like that. Everything happens in the background on autopilot. So it's definitely a beautiful thing, guys. You just leave your money in there, and over time, it just keeps growing and compounding. So if you go underneath the finance section, I'll just quickly show you here, guys. This allows you to get your account funded. Of course, once you have money up here at the top where it says 1265, you can then fund your account. There's various ways to get your account funded, either through major credit card, or you can do it through the English chat group that we have in S Group here. One of the sponsors, they'll be able to, if you give them funds, they'll be able to fund your account for you in the back office, because there's a transfer to user feature right here. So you can go select USD, the currency, transfer the amount, and then they enter in where it says nickname there, and then you just hit transfer, and then the money will automatically go over to that particular user, and they'll be able to have their account funded. So it's yeah, it's exciting, guys. Once you get your account funded, you just kind of yeah, you go over to the investment section, you go underneath Forex market, and then you go down here and you fund your account for whatever tier that you choose to come in on. Most people do come in on the first 2, even 3 tiers. They get their account funded, so as the days go on, you get the larger numbered amount here, and then the smaller numbered amount here in black is what the system gets. So it's yeah, it's a win-win situation, guys, for both you and the company. So the company's consistently growing, and of course you're making money along the way as well. So of course, I'm at this tier level right now, looking to get up into this next tier level sometime soon. Not sure when that will be, but we'll see when that happens. Hopefully around Christmas time. I make this video, it's in August, end of August right now. So all right, guys, I'm getting close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video. So make sure you guys click on the subscribe button down below. That way you can be informed of all my new videos and progress and updates. And also, don't forget to click on the sign up link down below in the description. You can sign up, join my team, And yeah, shoot me an email. My email's in the description down below, and we'll get things going for you. So thanks again for watching this video, and see you guys in the next one.